Hello ma'am, my name is Lastri Juta Sinaga. I will read the result of my work assignment entitled Cooperative Learning. Cooperative learning, a learning model by giving assignment to students who are smarter in small group. Result will be present to the other groups in the class. First, I divide them into several groups, then I appoint one person from each group to advance the discussion. Then they return to their groups to explain and do what I have explained to them. But before them I divide our group to learn about the tasks that I will give. It is part of their main guide. 10 question. Number 1. What are the goals of teachers who use this method? To make students able to work together with their friends in one task, develop the strength to seek and find materials to carry out the task, make students active. 2. What is the role of the teacher? What is the role of the student? The role of the teacher when students work on group assignment is to look after and help students if there are difficulties in doing it and supervise students who are doing assignment, such as watching whether the student complete assignment or just joke with their friends, while students continue to focus on doing the task. Number 3, what are some characteristics of teaching or learning process? Teachers make meaning to the use visual, really preparing and by giving a lot of example, building on student previous experience. Teachers also design activities that address both language and content, and the discourse organization of the content with specific language activities. Number 4, what is the nature of student-teacher interaction? What is the nature of student-student interaction? The form of teacher interaction with student is when the teacher continue to help students who do not understand or when they make mistake. And the interaction between students is when they respect each other and continue to work together. If they are friends who don't understand, they are aside and the final result is asked to the teacher. Number 5. How are the feelings of the student dealt with? It is assumed the learning content and language together keep student interest and motivate. They understand the relevance of what they are studying and that language is a means to the end. Number 6. How is language viewed? How is culture viewed? Meaningful language and the media to which the content is conveyed, addressed in teaching to the extent that is present in the content area being studied. Number 7. What areas of language are emphasized? What language skill emphasized? Includes spoken language. Language includes vocabulary items, grammatical structure, and how does contribute to the discourse of the text. Number 8. What is the role of the student native language? This makes the meaning clear and allows students to combine target language words in different ways to make new sentences. Number 9. How is evaluation accomplished? How is evaluation accomplished? Students are evaluated on their knowledge of the language and their speaking ability. Number 10. How does the teacher respond to the student errors? The teacher corrects student errors by giving student the correct form of allowing student to self-correct. The notes the errors and release a content to ensure that students are learning to use the language they will need in a school content. That's what I can describe from my job, ma'am. I apologize for the lack of pronunciation. Thank you.